Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another anime versus my art drawing video. So today we will see my take on Goku Super Saiyan 3 versus JANEMBA. This is my all-time favorite Dragon Ball Z movie, and if you want to know why I love to draw Dragon Ball Z so much, watch this movie and you will know why. That's exactly the drawing style I fell in love with, and also the animation of this movie is fabulous. So I love this shot of Goku Super Saiyan 3 with his injured shoulder, and I will draw this in my style today. It's already a perfect shot, it's perfectly drawn, so I will just add a bit of my own touch to it, and I want to include JANEMBA in the drawing as well to make it more interesting. Now let's check out the drawing evolution, make sure to watch the whole video, and I see you in the end with the final result. Let's go! Alright guys, final touch and then this amazing drawing is done. I think this one really turned out so good. I love the colors and the badass look of both. As you can see, I kept Goku very close to the original reference from the movie, as it was already perfect. I just gave it a bit of my own touch to it, and I think we can see that. I choose a bit more vibrant colors, same as for JANEMBA. I wanted to create a nice contrast, so I choose a very dark coloring for JANEMBA, and with the different colors for him and the background, which is so vibrant and colorful, this drawing turned out very powerful and eye-catchy. I think everything turned out amazing and this was really fun to draw. Alright guys, now let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon. If you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. I will of course upload this in full time on my real time channel, so you can follow my steps very easy in case you want to draw this yourself. The one and only original drawing is now available on Etsy, and now you can also download the digital version of my drawings, so check out the shop. For commissions, message me on Instagram, and if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video out of it and mention your name in the video. All the links down below in the info box, including the links to the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I see you on the next video.